See how those 𝗚𝗔𝗥𝗗𝗡𝗚 bearings are on the
Yep.
They're on the dirt.
Yep.
I mean, there ain't no ifs, ands,
They're in the dirt.
They're in it. And it stays in it. And what they're doing this morning, they're cleaning. They're clean once a day.
Oh, okay.
But while they're
So this is once a day it gets like this.
as soon as they start, within 20 minutes, it's like this.
Right.
You know, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
But it just runs. And if you're in gearboxes, see, this motor is hooked to a gearbox here, which we put the concentrate in.
Right.
You can't see the gearbox because it's behind the covers and the pulleys and everything. But once you put it in there, you don't have to worry about it. You can see these gearboxes up here. Top up there,
Yeah.
where the gearbox is.
Yeah.
You know. But it's phenomenal. You don't have to worry about it. And once you do it, it's done.
Yeah. How often do you treat the bearings on the conveyors?
On the conveyors, once a month.
Once a month.
Yep. Once a month.
Gotcha.
Come over here and grease them once a month.
Well, that's some picture out there. How many acres you got here?
It's close to 1,000, but they only actually use probably 250 trees.
Wow.
And I'll take you on the other side on there and get you a shot right this way.
Uh-huh.
And then you can see it all.
That's awesome.
Same thing in air compressor oil. Put it in it.
For the air compressor oil. You use hydraulic too?
Yes, it's in all hydraulic oil. Same amount. 2 ounces per foot.
Right. And it extends the life of the hydraulic fluid?
Tremendously. You don't have to change it about once every 2 years.
Wow.
It's just amazing how long it prolongs the life.
Can we see some of that?
One right here. I'll show you one on the back of this truck. Right there. See how clean it is?
Wow. Yep.
And it never turns. It never turns color.
Wow.
It'll stay just like that the whole time. Even before 2 years, it'll still look just like that.
And you do it 2 years just because of
Just for
general
that's
maintenance.
right, general maintenance. I've never had a hydraulic failure in one of these tractors.
And you've been using these products now for about almost 10 years?
Almost 10 years. Right.
Awesome.
Some of these conveyors in here are chain driven by hydraulic fluid, and this is the container here where we put it. It actually pumps the hydraulic fluid in there to run the system and all. So we add the hydraulic fluid, add the additive concentrate in here, 2 ounces per quart of oil to prolong the life of all the hydraulic mechanisms inside the robotic system.
Awesome. So when you get new hydraulic fluid put in there, you just at that time you just put in the 2 ounces per quart.
2 ounces per quart, and let it go.
Right.
You don't have to worry about it at all. You cut it off.